Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Serrano. We're gonna be taking a look at the SoundPeats Air Deluxe, which is a SoundPeats newest earbud for about $49, but with the 13% off, you could probably get these things for about a little under 35 bucks. Stay locked in with me. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and take a look at these earbuds, but I'm actually rocking the Air 3s, which are the pair that were actually a mini style of these guys. So these are going to give you longer battery, 22 hours with the case included versus the 17, but I didn't really find any real big differences between the two. These are like the concert style. When you're listening to these, it's really dynamic, really warm, really immersive, and it feels like you're actually there listening to the music. They have really good range from low to high to mids, and they get really deep bass. They're also going to pack aptX-5 as well, and they're going to be able to give you the app support, so you can fine tune them. I'm actually listening to these right now with the SoundPeats app, and then the new ones, which I'm going to unbox right now, also have that, which is the Deluxe. You can see right here. So they're giving you the Air 3 Pros, the Mini Pros, the T2s. All of these pretty much going to be available to use on the app, but these new ones are going to be updated when it comes to the battery and also the case design. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at these and kind of do an unboxing and first impression. So make sure you stay to the end of the video. I'm also going to be testing out the mics and kind of show you what comes in the packaging. But in the next video that I talk about with the SoundPeats, I want to compare both of these earbuds side by side. But they're going to offer the aptX, the Clear Voice Calls 8.0. You know what I'm saying? So it's going to be really good with the 14.2 biodynamic compound driver inside of here. So let's go ahead and I'm listening to music right now as we speak. What I like about these is they have the same feature that these ones that I'm going to be unboxing have, which is going to be the in-ear detection, right? So you're going to be able to basically listen to your music. When you take them out, it's going to stop the music automatically, right? But you get full volume controls. You even get game mode when you triple tap on here. Well, you can get game, you can actually get your Google Assistant on the right earbud. 1, 2, 3 is the game mode on the left ear. So they have all the features, volume up, volume down. Same thing with these guys. So let's go ahead and take a look at these, because I'm really excited to see the new design of the case. It's going to be not as small as this one. It's going to be a little bit bigger, but it's also going to pack a little bit more of a battery power. Same exact driver, the 14x2 with the aptX for really clear immersive sound quality as well. So let me just read you off some of the specs on the side of here. It does also give you the Qualcomm QCC3040 chip, the true wireless, so you can listen to the left ear or the right ear while it's in the case, so one at a time or two at a time. The bio compound diaphragm driver, 22 hours, 60 low latency gaming mode, and you know, that's pretty much the main features with these. Let's go ahead and take them out of the box. And the presentation is going to be extremely pleasant, because both of these things, when you unbox them side by side, you can see that they're going to offer a really good experience. So with this one, you got the accessories in this pouch, right? And it came with, it doesn't come with like anything too special, just your, you know what I'm saying, charging cord and your instructions at the bottom of the box right here. Whereas these will come with instructions at the top. You can see right here. It does give you the 8 different sound effects with the app when you download the SoundPeats app, mode switching, volume control, equalizer, and it says that you have to download the app to get all of those functions available. So this is the packaging right here. They got the earbuds right here up top, and it offers a glossy finish, whereas these ones are a nice matte finish. So honestly, I do prefer the glossy finish. You can see with the SoundPeats right here, the Air 3s is going to have the SoundPeats logo at the top, Type-C at the bottom. Let's put these off to the side just for a second while I go ahead and unwrap these ones, right? I'll take that off like that. Put this, see what's underneath the hood, and you get the user manual right here underneath the hood. And then they also are going to include your charging cord right here on the side. Let me see, here it is. It's tucked away real nice, so you get the additional charging cord right here. So these are going to be pretty cool because it has the button that you can reset them with. The Air 3s also do have that same button that you can reset them with when you want to actually pair it to a different device. So I'm going to actually compare it to my Google Pixel 4a, because this one will let you hear the sound quality in real time or whatever. So I think that's going to be pretty cool. Okay, so let me just put this packaging off to the side. Now that you saw what it comes in the package, let's put the earbuds right here and kind of pair these right here to the Pixel 4a, right? So I'm going to put these back in the case. And these are one of my favorite earbuds to test. They have the LED light, turns green when you're at full charge, orange, or yellow when it's getting low, and then red when it's extremely low. So let me just see what this one will offer. It has the SoundPeats in a silver color right there, glossy texture on here. Fingerprints are already apparent on these guys, so I could see that it does have the fingerprints available on there like already. I could see that, so it's gathering fingerprints. You could just type right here SoundPeats, and you can download the app real fast. You can see if I lift that up, it's at full charge right now. But the earbud itself is a matte material. So let me just compare this to this and see what the difference is as far as the size. And you would get these confused when it comes to size, because they look extremely comparable. I just want to show you that real quick. So it's like really hard to tell the difference with these things. They both look identical when it comes to the earbud. I don't want to get them confused, but it's almost exactly the same design. So I'm going to put this one back in the case. And now that I'm going to open this app right here, allow, take this one out as well. Let's hit continue on the app and allow that. And then once we get these going, it has a nice solid interior color. It's like a charcoal gray on the inside. The case does feel a little bit plasticky. It's not, it feels lightweight as well, and it has a nice premium feel to it in the hand. It's a little bit more grippier than the matte texture. So it's asking me to log in to the app. You can actually log in with the app on your phone. Let me just type in my password for my profile. And like I said, you're not going to be real disappointed at all when it comes to the quality of sound, because it sounds like you're literally listening to the music in a concert. Like you're pretty much there the whole time. So it's really immersive. It's really nice when you're listening to SoundPeats. And these just have an upgraded design with longer battery. So the case is going to be a little bit more, you know what I'm saying, bigger as well. So, you know what I'm saying, this is going to be the, this is where it's going to ask you to pair it right here. So it says right here, you can actually go right here and pair them to your device. And you can see the Air 3 Deluxe right there. Just hit OK. And I'm going to go put these in my ears right now. So one thing I want to do is to see that they're 90%. Let's go back, and you can see right here now it's searching for the correct ones. It's bringing up the right ones right now, so it's going to switch that. There we go. So now we have the Air 3 Deluxe on the app. You can go to the EQ settings. These don't have transparency or ANC mode, just the normal mode. But they do actually have custom preset right here, treble enhancement, folk, musical, classic music, rock, hip hop, electric, bass boost, and the classic style, which is pretty cool. But you can also right here, adaptive EQ. You could click this one where it'll adapt to you can make it, you know what I'm saying, you can make it customizable to the way you want it to sound. And I think that's something that's really cool. You also do to get you can have the gaming mode on here, which will have 60 milliseconds of latency and the in-ear detection as well. Right here, you can actually see all the products that are available to go home. And the app is pretty straightforward, right? Click right here, and that's going to be that customizable one. So right here, I could click custom equalizer and then click here and then I can make it sound the way I want to when I tailor it to my personal preference. So I can make it like have that V shape to it, like just like that, and then just go back, and then that's pretty cool, right? But let me show you how the microphones sound with these, and then I'll do a quick listen. So I'm gonna go to the video section and put my face, and then just so you can see that I'm using the microphones. What I like about Pixel phones is that you could click right here. It says it's using the phone mic, but I could click right here. And now I'm using the SoundPeats Air Deluxe mic. So let me hit record. All right, so this is pretty much how it would sound if I was talking with the microphones on the SoundPeats Air 3 Deluxe, okay? I'm gonna do some background noise in just a second so you can hear that real quick. So let's put that on right now. All right, so this is what it would sound out like if I was in a loud environment. I actually have my speakers turned all the way up to the full volume as they're gonna go, and this is what it would sound like if I was in a noisy environment. Okay, so I just want to let you guys hear how it would sound if I was in a noisy environment, and then this is how it would sound like if I was not in a noisy environment. Okay. All right, so now that we did the sound test, let me just listen to these for a little bit and give you my final opinions on some of the music here. First, I'm gonna play some of my favorite tunes. So what I like to do is I like to listen to some folk rock right here, some, you know what I'm saying, some blues music. Let's put that, one of my favorite artists right here. Ooh, these are extremely dynamic. It sounds like you're there or something. Ooh, these sound really good when it comes to the overall, very immersive, very clear, very deep, very warm. Let's turn down the volume a little bit. Volume controls on here. So it's got like a really fulfilling sound to it. It definitely sounds like you're there. It has the really good quality ergonomic shape to it. Wonderful notes, precise, you know what I'm saying? It picks up the sound extremely well, like you're right there listening to the instruments. You know, so these are gonna be really crazy when you take them out. You got that in-ear detection, so it'll automatically pause. You could put them up with one tap, two taps, pauses the music. 1, 2, 3 will get your Google Assistant. What's the weather right now? And then the 3 taps on the left ear will give you your low latency. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3. And now to just watch a video with a talking face real quick. I'm gonna skip the ads on here, but let me just do that real quick. Let's see if there's any latency. It's right on point with the lips. So there's no latency when you're listening to video. You know what I'm saying? When it comes to games, let me see if there's any games I could just launch really quickly when I hold the gun up. And I'm just gonna take a gunshot real quick. Okay, let me shoot the gun. It's almost instantaneous. That there's like a tiny bit of a delay, but you can pretty much hear the gunshot like right when you hit it. So I want to listen to test the bass out on these. I'm gonna play one song with a lot of bass to it, but as far as like the folk music, it sounded really crazy. So let me see. Let's put it on shuffle with some. I actually want to listen to some. Let me see. Wow, it sounds really immersive so far. Let me change the EQ setting, but it sounds really crazy on the one that I'm listening to right now. Really good as far as the bass. All right, let's go to, yeah, I like this custom one, but let's go to the preset ones. Hip hop. That sounds really good. Bass boost. Woo! Yeah, that's crazy. So overall you're gonna get 3 charges with these guys versus 2.5 with these, 17 hours with this, 22 hours with this. So almost a full like week of use if you use them sparingly and you're not listening to them every moment of the day. But you can actually listen to one ear at a single time and it's gonna work perfectly. So that's pretty much lit. That's really it's still playing, and it plays automatically when you put the other one in. So these are really dynamic earbuds. I definitely would recommend it for the price point. Really solid earbuds from SoundPeats. But hopefully you guys did find this video helpful. I'm gonna get right back with you. I'm gonna show up in the next video, but make sure you hit the like button if you found this video helpful in any way possible. But in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending where you are, have a great night. Later, crew. Peace.